Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Tuesday, August 9th, 2022. This is 5:53 and 13 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, Salmonella. So let's hop to it here. Oil-based systems show promise for eradicating Salmonella on food production machinery. Date August 8, 2022. Source, American Society for Microbiology. Recent outbreaks of foodborne salmonella have been associated with chocolate and peanut butter. Although salmonella cannot grow in either of these low-water foods, the cells survive, becoming more resistant to heat treatment, which has contributed to recent outbreaks. By cleaning and sanitization of manufacturing environments are critical for a safe food supply. However, water-based cleaning is rarely used in processing peanut butter, but it promotes microbial growth. Also, as anyone who has baked peanut butter cookies can tell you, peanut butter and water do not mix, and cleanup with water is challenging. Instead, manufacturers often remove residual peanut butter from manufacturing systems using heated oil, followed by overnight cooling and application of flammable alcohol-based sanitizing agents. In this particular study, collaborators dried salmonella on stainless steel surfaces and controlled relative humidity. They then covered the dried bacteria with various oils with organic acids, varying the acid type, concentration, contact time, treatment temperature to identify highly antimicrobial formulations. By using peanut oil mixed with acetic acid at a concentration about half that of household vinegar and applying heat, killing was much greater than expected, indicating a synergistic effect. The results show that acidified oils could be used as an effective means of sanitization in low moisture food processing facilities where water-based cleaning can be challenging. And to the research knowledge, using oils as a carrier of organic acids is a novel approach to delivering antimicrobial compounds against foodborne pathogens. The research may thus lead to adaptation of oil-based systems for industrial cleaning, for example, of machinery for processing chocolate and peanut butter. That would most often enable more frequent cleaning, boosting the safety of these products. Good day, this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.